Well, December was a pretty crazy month in the Calgary real estate market. January was even crazier. Stand by, I'll give you the details. For 20 years, I've been dedicating my best efforts to helping my clients get the most for their homes in the shortest amount of time. In 20 years, I've learned a lot and I'm learning more. Get ready to share with me. Welcome to the Pete DeYoung Show. So this is what happened in January. In January, believe it or not, we were up over 40% in sales from January last year. Pretty massive amount. But in addition, what we saw was inventory was down about 20% from January last year. So as you know, when supply comes down at that rate and demand goes up at that rate, you can probably expect to enter a bit of a seller's market. So there's going to be some price increases. There's just not a lot of inventory there for buyers to look through and to find a dream home for themselves. So yeah, there's going to be some price increases coming. I would think even for just a short term. I'm not sure how long it'll last, but I think for the near future, I think you're going to see some price increases, and some sellers going to take advantage of the market if they're smart. So here's what happened though when we break it down, is it looks like the detached houses went up in price already from January last year by 3%. So the whole market went up 2%, but that was mostly driven by the detached houses. They were up 3%. Townhomes and attached homes, they pretty much stayed exactly where they were, maybe up a half a point or a point. And condos continued to fall, although I think they're starting to level off a little bit. They only fell by half a point, so that's pretty good compared to what we've been seeing in terms of year-over-year price increases or decreases. So that's the breakdown of the types of homes. In terms of the areas that did the best were the far north and the far south. They went up the most. Most of the city stayed pretty much where it was compared to last year in terms of pricing. The only area of the city that went down was the west side, and it wasn't by much. So like I said, I think in the next month or so, you're gonna see price increases everywhere. I don't know how long it's gonna last. I know I mentioned it before, but I'm gonna say it again, is I'm still a little bit concerned about this market. I think it's not a Calgary phenomenon to see a market this excited. But I think it's mostly driven by the fact that interest rates are so low. You can get interest now on a mortgage at about 1%. So that's pretty low. But in addition, you've got a federal government that's pumping billions of dollars into the economy. People are still living off of CERB payments and mortgage deferrals and unemployment and stuff like that. And I think all this stuff has to end at some point. And in the meantime, there's a great market if you want to sell your house. Don't wait. Get your house on the market as quick as you can is my advice. Because I think once these programs run out, look, we're not seeing great things happening in Calgary in terms of investment returning yet. We're not seeing the unemployment rate come down. There's a bunch of factors that I think are going to affect the way things turn out in the end. In the meantime, if you are thinking of selling, get a hold of me or a realtor that you like and know and trust, somebody with experience who understands the market and can watch it carefully. And like I said, get your house in the market quickly. If you want to know what your house is worth, because as I mentioned, there are variances within types of homes and even where you are in Calgary. So again, if you want to know what your place is worth, or you want to track your market a little bit more carefully, let me know. I'm happy to set you up with a monthly market report that affects just your market. Or I can even look at homes like yours in your market. We can break it down as tight as you want to really be able to follow the market, even if you're planning on selling in 6 months or something like that. All right, so my phone number is at the end of this video. Give me a call anytime. I'm happy to chat. I'm happy to send you free information. It's not a problem for me at all. I'm not bothered by people saying, hey, can you set me up on a report? I don't know if I'm gonna be buying or selling yet in the next year or so, but can you send me some free information? No problem, happy to do it. I think it's just important that knowledge is power. And I think it's important that if you have the right information, you're gonna make better decisions. And that's what I'm trying to arm my clients with is good information so they've got the power to make good decisions. Anyways, yeah, my number's at the back of this video. Give me a call, send me a text. You can email me as well if you'd like. I'm at pete@280keys.com. 280keys is my website. You can visit me there and look forward to hearing from you. Thanks so much. Hey, thanks for watching. If you'd like to subscribe, click here. If you have any other questions or would like some more information from me, comment down below or text me at the number at the end of this video.